Welcome back to the Brothers Workshop. As always, I'm Sean, and today we're back at it with the 1966 Chevy C20. That's right. We've read the comments, we heard what you had to say, and we know you want to see some more truck videos, and we couldn't wait to bring it to you. So without further ado, we're going to dive right into this one. But before we do, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you stay up to date on all the videos pertaining to this truck and the new ones yet to come. While you're at it, hit that like button so we know you actually want to see this kind of stuff. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at The Brothers Workshop. Today we're going to be taking a look at the bed of the truck. I guess you really can't tell, but it's kind of loose. We're going to see what's going on there. We're also going to try to take a look at the steel plate here. It's not really my thing. We want to bring it back to its original character and put a wood bed in. And finally, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the drum brakes because they're a little soft and they might need tightened up or replaced. And for safety, we're going to continue to keep this right here nice and snug.
Do with it?
I'm going to put it on a dolly and then I'm going to get a grinder. I can't do it all today. I'm going to get a grinder, I'm going to cut the metal out, and then I'm going to order the parts for the wood. It's all loose there. I don't know if it's falling. I left 3 bolts in it, so you can just pick right up.
Where are you gonna put it? Better figure out where it's gonna go.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a couple old dollies and so I can move it around. All right, guys, bolts are all off. There's only 4 of them and they are barely hand tight. Now that they're done, we're gonna take the forklift, lift this bad boy up.
hit the tire. That should be good there.
Now right here I had a little issue when I took the bed off. Got a little bump here when I tried to pull away to get that fixed up. You guys stuck around this long, so we know you love the video. And if you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button so you stay up to date on all the videos pertaining to this build and the new ones yet to come. While you're at it, hit the like button. That way we know you actually like this video and you want to see more of it. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at The Brothers Workshop. And until next time, keep building.